Hello everyone, welcome to my shop. This is the embroidery DIY kit you buy from my shop. This is a bamboo hoop. This is a fabric with a printing on it. This is a piece of paper with printing on it too. The printing on this paper is the same like the printing on the fabric. It's for your reference when doing the embroidery. Here are needles for doing the embroidery. Usually we use Pony brand Pony sewing needles size 11 or size 12. For beginners, we use size 11. This is size 11. Size 12 is smaller. These are the mulberry silk threads for the project you buy. It's 100% mulberry silk thread. It's very soft and lustrous. The first step, we put the fabric on the hook, on the bamboo hook. Okay, there are two parts, the inner part and the outside part. Put the inner part under the fabric. We adjust it. Place the pattern on the center. Okay, it's on the center. It's in the center. And then put the outside part. Tighten the screw here. We adjust the fabric by pulling the edge to make it even. You see here are wrinkles when we fold it. When we send the parcel, we need to fold it so there are wrinkles. When you finish the embroidery, you can use iron to press it, but without the steam. No steam mode. No steam mode. Here are the threads. The same color shades are tied together by a slip knot. I pull the slip knot open by pulling two ends of the slip knot. Okay, it's done. We get the small skeins. This is a small skein. We search for that knot that tie the whole bundle together. Here, the knot here. You see, tie the whole bundle together. And here is a slip knot. We open it by pulling both ends. It's done. So here is the knot. We cut the thread from the knot here. Now we get many threads with the same length. It's almost the size of our arms. It's longer than my arm. Now we put those threads on a pole like this one. When we use, we take one out in this way. See, one thread. For the rest, we tie a slip knot in order to make it in order so it won't get messed up. When you want to take the thread, you open the slip knot and take another one out. For the rest of the thread, we do it the same way like this one. Now we split the thread. When you do cross stitch, you don't have to split the thread. But when we do Suzhou embroidery, we split the thread into 2 strands or even more strands. See? 2 strands. Pull it. Now 1 strand. The other strand. Put the thread through the needle. Okay, it's done. We don't double fold the thread as we do when we sew the cloth. We tie a knot here. Beside the needle. Okay, and another knot at the end of the thread. It's done. It's time to embroider. Embroider from the bottom. This is the back side, and this is the front side. do a few stitches here. Okay, when we finish, how do we tie the knot here? We hide the knot, pull the needle through the thread on the back, and then cut like this. Okay, it's done. That's all for it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.